Hi guys, my name is Adnan Hasbi and I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Rambling of an Analyst. And in today's episode, we are going to apply for iSinar. In case you guys are wondering what iSinar is, it is basically withdrawing from our EPF and that will be 10% from our account 1. Full disclosure, the cap for withdrawing is up to 60,000. Okay, so that's the maximum amount one can withdraw from their account 1. So to apply for iSinar, we have to kind of go to Google and type out iSinar on the search bar, and after doing so, we can click the search query, which is over here. And after doing so, let us hover this particular blue button, right? This will give you the qualification for the first category. Let me read the qualifications. Ahli yang hilang pekerjaan, diberi cuti tanpa gaji, hilang sumber pendapatan, sudah lama tidak mencarum, bekerja sendiri, bekerja sektor ekonomi gig, dan suri rumah. So this is basically people that has lost their jobs, given mandatory leave without pay, they have lost their source of income, or have not put in money in EPF for the longest time, working alone or working in the gig economy, and also housewives. So those are the people which can apply for the iSinar for category number 1. So if we scroll down, there is also the user guide, which we can kind of click, and there we go. So the first step where my mouse is hovering is to type in the right web address, followed by putting our IC number and also our phone number. After we have clicked the button teruskan, which basically means forward or continue, the next thing which will happen is the OTP will pop up. And what this will basically require for us to do is look at our cell phone, and our cell phone will have a particular number which will come up, and we should key in that particular number on the website. And after doing so, if you can see where my cursor is, we'll be greeted with this particular interface, whereby there's a little slider over here where we can slide how much of money we want to take out from our EPF. After we have chosen how much we want to take out in total, the next thing is we scroll down a little lower, and this will allow us to choose how much we want to take out during the first month. After we have chosen that, we will then click the teruskan button, which is the orange button over here. And the next page will have our information, check our name, our IC number, so on and so forth. And please ensure that the information is correct. And we just hit teruskan, which is continue. And I think finally there is an overall summary of our application, and we can hit teruskan or continue. And congratulations, that is the overall process of withdrawing from your iSinar.